Today we will carry out the overhauling of a baby compressor safety valve. The safety valve is a critical component that protects the compressor from overpressure. The tools used for overhauling are shown here. First procedure, dismantling. First remove the cap carefully. The cap has been removed. Now spring. Take out the spindle, then valve seat, finally body. So these are all the parts of the safety valve. Now we are going to clean all parts with kerosene. First, cap is being cleaned with kerosene. Use a soft brush to clean the parts. Next, spring to be cleaned. Now spindle. Valve seat is being cleaned. If need, use paper to clean the carbon deposit in the parts. Final step of cleaning process is the body is being cleaned. So the cleaning process has been completed. Next, blowing with compressed air. Ensure that there is no dust particle available in the parts. Cleaning process over. Now assembling process. First provide valve seat inside the valve body. Insert the spindle in spring. Then the set is being inserted in the wall body. Now the cap is refitted. The tightness should be secured with a lock nut. The tension of the spring is provided by the cap tightness. So this will ensure that the pressure the cap is tightened and lock nut has been tightened. Now testing process. Testing is very important. So we have provide the safety valve in test stand and a given pressure. The valve pressure is from 7.6 to 8.8. So this it is blowing at 8.2. So testing process also over. This is the overhauling of baby compressor safety valve. Thank you.